going to be a piece of cake. All we need is just to put it all together, right? Oh no, look, something is broken. Well, I'll need an assistance with this. Hi, my kid's toy car stopped working. Well, it's totally a mess. I think the problem is with the broken chip. How can I figure out what's wrong?
Great question. Let's troubleshoot step by step so you don't guess blindly. If you have a multimeter, measure voltage at battery terminals and board input.
Well, I don't have a digital multimeter. Maybe you can help me to find one?
Of course. But first, are you sure the toy deserves to be fixed?
Yes, I will fix it.
Understood. Respect. Let's find the suitable multimeter. Before recommending one, tell me, what color do you prefer? Is your budget above $1,000? And how many do you want?
Well, I don't even know what are those. I just need a simple digital multimeter that will cover the basics.
Got it. A simple multimeter for electronics basics. Perfect. That actually narrows the choice a lot. For electronics work, like Arduino, PCBs and power supplies, you mainly need a meter that reliably measures voltage, resistance, current and continuity. The core functions of every digital multimeter provides. Searching the web for simple digital multimeter for total beginners that don't even know what CAT rating is. Generating answer. Reconciling existence. Checking if the user actually meant multimeter or watermelon. Analyzing how many I should use in the next sentence. Counting how many T's are in raspberry. Hallucinating recommendations. Finalizing answer. Okay, I have it. Based on extensive research and deep reasoning, I recommend the following multimeters. Industrial High Precision Laboratory Multimeter, $1,487. Vintage Analog Multimeter from 1972. Very collectible. Smart AI-powered multimeter with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and social media integration. Would you like me to compare them in a 37.5-page table? However, after further analysis, I also recommend learning how to build your own multimeter. Here is the list of their required components. 1 oscilloscope, 1 FPGA development board, 37 precision resistors, a soldering microscope, and a small factory in Taiwan. Estimate build time 6 to 8 months. Would you like a tutorial?
You know what? Let's try something else. Let's go to TME's website, search for digital multimeter, and filter the multimeters by voltage, price, basic functions that we need. And if you still have a problem, you can even contact a real person.